Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Luke. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate it. Now this video is a little bit different to what I normally do. It's it's not about me for a start. It's about trying to promote a event that's happening in Wales in April this year, 2021. It's called Ride Cymru Knievels 2021, and essentially it's a group of motorcycles, or motorcyclists rather, riding their motorcycles all over Wales. And they're doing it for a great charity called Macmillan Cancer Support. I'm sure you've heard of them. Cancer is something that's affected my own family. I've got a few family members that have unfortunately passed away because of cancer. So it is a sensitive subject, and I just want to, share this and help out as much as I can, and just to help try and raise funds for a great cause. Now, you're going to see a friend of mine. Her name is called Vicky. She's known on YouTube as Nessa Trucker UK. She's going to explain it in a bit more detail, and what you need to do and how you can donate. So I just want to say, help out as much as you can. Donate as much as you can or as little as you can. It all helps. And thanks for watching. And next person you're going to see is Vicky.
Hi guys. Ride Cymru is a motorcycle charity event. It's taking place from the April the 29th this year till May the 3rd. There's roughly going to be around 50 or so motorcyclists taking part, and they're all going to be dressed as Evil Knievel. It's the only UK event that's endorsed by the Knievel family. My friend Daryl is taking part this year, and so I thought we could perhaps help him out in raising as much money as possible for the cause. The charity is Macmillan Cancer Support. I'd like you to watch this video to see what the event is all about, basically, and to see if you can help support Daryl in his efforts to raise awareness and as much needed support and money as possible for this charity. So if you could spare just 3 minutes just to watch this following video, you'll see what it's all about and everything. But I'm sure after that you'll understand why I've decided to help promote this epic event. So I'm sure you'll agree that this is a worthy cause, and a fantastic and fun way to raise money for charity in aid of Macmillan cancer support. If every one of my subscribers was to donate just £1, that would be almost £2,500, and that's just with us, without all the other vloggers that are going to be endorsing this as well. All the donation details can be found in the description below. I'll put as much information in there as I possibly can. If you would like to make a donation, then when you go through the process, you can leave a message on there saying who the donation is for. So if you could just write that Nessa Trucker sent you and the donation is for Daryl, that would be wonderful, just so they can allocate where all the donations are coming from. Again, all these details will be in the description below. If I remember, I'll put a little thing on the screen just here somewhere showing you what the message should look like, or thereabouts. Hasn't got to be perfect. But yeah, thank you all very much for your time.